Ever had that moment where you need to send or receive money, but you're not sure how to get into your Venmo account? Maybe you're on a new phone, a different computer, or you just can't remember the exact steps. It's a common little hurdle, and the last thing you want is to be stuck when you need to pay back a friend for coffee or split the dinner bill. That's exactly what we're here for today. We're going to walk through the simple, straightforward process of logging into Venmo, whether you're using their mobile app or a desktop browser. It's a quick guide that will get you back to sending money in just a few taps or clicks. First, let's start with the most common way to use Venmo, the mobile app on your phone. If you don't have it, you'll need to download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have the app open, you'll see a sign-in button. Tap that, and you'll be prompted to enter your login details. You can use your registered email address, phone number, or even your Venmo username, followed by your password. Venmo also offers biometric login options like Face ID or fingerprint recognition if you've enabled them, making it even faster to get in. For security, you might be asked to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. Just enter the code, and you're in. Now, what about logging in on your computer? This is perfect for when you want to view your transaction history or manage your account settings on a bigger screen. Just open your web browser and go to Venmo.com. In the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on it, and the process is very similar to the app. You'll enter your email, mobile number, or username and your password. Just like with the app, you may need to complete a quick identity verification step if it's a new device. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your account and can navigate your feed, check your balance, or change your settings. Remember, if you ever forget your password, there's a Forgot Password link on both the app and the desktop login pages. It will guide you through the process of resetting it so you can get back into your account. Always be sure you're on the official Venmo app or website to keep your information safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.